Sales is a lifeline of any business. And if you're someone who's struggling to generate sales, in this video I'm going to share you 30 ways where you can inspire your customer or your client to give you money. The ideas which I'm going to share you is very powerful. So please take notes as I reveal 30 ways to inspire people to buy from you. My name is Shrikant Parad. I'm a taxation consultant and a business growth specialist. I want to personally welcome you to this video. If you're an entrepreneur or a sales professional, this video is going to be very powerful for you. One thing I want to mention is please use this information ethically. Do not sell substandard product or services. So can I have a commitment from you that you will use this information with high level of integrity, transparency and honesty? So please type 100% committed in the comment box, as I will be reading every comment and I will respond to you personally. So let's get in. Sales is nothing but an exchange of goods or services. Andrew Carnegie has said that you can take away my money and take away my factories, but leave me my sales staff and I will be back where I was in 2 years. There are various dimensions to sales. People make buying decisions only when they are triggered by emotions. So let's start. The first emotion is fear. Fear is a very powerful tool that drives people to buy from you. So use it very appropriately. Do not induce fear in an unethical way. Second, desire. Desire to buy more. People want to buy more. They want to buy like any luxury goods like Mercedes, or they want to buy home. So there is a desire to buy. Third, safety. If your product or services is going to give them security and safety, they'll buy from you. For example, security camera. People will buy security camera for the purpose of safety. Fourth, adventure. People want to feel something exhilarating, they want to feel something new, they'll buy from you. For example, roller coaster, trekking, camping, they'll buy from you. Fifth is significance. People want to feel worthy. Like for example, people want to buy Mont Blanc pen. They want to feel significant in terms of spending. So they will buy from you. Relationship. People want to be associated with a particular like-minded group. Seventh, health. People want good health. They want good immunity. They want to feel stronger. They want to feel fit. And if your product or services is going to make them feel these qualities, they will buy from you. Eighth is successful. People want to be successful in their business or in their personal life. And if your product or services is going to make them succeed, they'll buy from you. Ninth is sense of purpose. Like for example, in charity, there is a high sense of purpose. People donate with a high level of purpose, with a higher intention, something which is unique, grow. Many of them are stuck in their business or in their personal life, and because of that, they are not able to move further. And if your product is going to improve their current situation, they'll buy from you. 11th, appreciation. People want to feel worthy. People want to feel respected, valued. For example, when you visit any petrol station of Shell, they'll always welcome you with a warm heart. 12th, save time. If your product or services is going to save their time effectively, they'll buy from you. For example, if you buy a software and if that software is going to save your time, people will buy from you. Faster, better and cheaper. If your product is going to give them fast results, better results and cheaper, which is pocket friendly, they will buy from you. 16th, security. People buy your products or services for future needs like life insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance, which make them feel secured. They'll buy from you. 17th is attractive. People want to look good, they'll buy from you. For example, clothing, apparel, jewelry, cosmetic, they'll buy from you. 18th, brand. If your product is giving them brand consciousness and which is trusted, proved in the market, which is giving good quality, they'll buy from you. Happiness. People want to feel happy. They want change in their life. And if a product or service is going to give them this quality, they will buy from you. 20. Nostalgia. People will buy product from you if it's going to make them revisit their old emotions, like for example video games of Mario, which will make them feel past experience. They'll buy from you. Story. If your story is going to resonate with their story, with values, experience and profession, they feel associated with you, they will buy from you. 22nd. Worthy. If your product or service is going to make them worthy, is going to deliver them a better version and makes them feel worthy, they'll buy from you. Like if they buy watches and they feel worthy, they'll buy from you. 23rd is new. People buy products or services if it's new, if it's latest. Like for example, people want to buy iPhone. Every year Apple launches a new product with latest features. They'll buy from you. Comfort. If your product is going to make them feel comfortable, like furniture, clothes, chair, they'll buy from you. Happiness. Quality. Nowadays people are quality conscious. Like they want to eat good food, they want to eat quality food, they want to wear quality clothes. They'll buy from you. Exclusivity. If you're going to deliver them exclusive offers or limited edition products or services, and if you're going to give them discounts, coupons, they'll buy from you. Knowledge. People want to grow in their business, and if you are going to help them succeed in their business with the help of knowledge, they'll buy from you. Addiction. Addiction is nothing but a repeat habits, if it's good or it's bad. If your product or services is good or bad, they'll buy from you. Bored. People feel bored and they want to feel good, like they will visit malls, they will visit restaurants. It's like a retail therapy. So if you represent any one of these 30 points, people will buy from you. Depending upon product or services, you can choose any one of these emotions that is apt for you and make a difference in customer success journey. People will buy from you. If you are able to stress more on these triggers and communicate in most effective way, people will buy from you. You can also make them educate why they should buy from you. And once you educate your customer on a more easy way and effective way, people will always buy from you. But very important point, as I said, please use this information ethically. These are very powerful triggers and use them effectively. Sell something substantial and use this trigger to really help people make a better decision. So I hope you found this video useful. So here is what I would like you to do is, right now, what was the biggest takeaway out of these 30 points that I shared, which is the one that you are going to pick and you are going to work on that for the next few days. So please share this in the comment box, as I would love to read your comments. And once again, if you are watching this on Facebook, please share your comments below. Hit the like symbol, love symbol, maybe share this with somebody or tag a friend who you feel can benefit from this knowledge. At least 3 friends. And 2, if you are watching on YouTube, please share your comments below that is relevant in your business. I will be reading every single comment and I will be responding to that. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit bell button for notifications and keep looking out for more of such videos. Cheers and God bless, and I look forward to serve you more in my future videos. Bye bye.